everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I've got a really cool but different video today and we're going to be unboxing this Revolution Conceal Contour and Glow palette. I'd seen they released like bundles recently and I was like, I'll pick two up. You guys would have seen the other chocolate hearts gift set or whatever set it was yesterday. Today we're going to be doing this one. I'm super excited, so let's jump on in and unbox and I can give you guys my thoughts. By the way, I thought I would let you know that I paid £25 for this. So the first thing in this is the Revolution Precision Contour set. So it's got the oval face, the oval cheek and the oval shape. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I've never actually used one of these before. I never actually went on to this kind of hype when they came out, so maybe I'll do like a testing video with each of the boxes and let me know if you'd like to see that, and then we can definitely use this. Next thing, which to be fair I was quite excited about because I don't have a silver spray, I've only got the gold ones, but it's the Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow the Illuminating Face and Body Spray. Yeah, this is in Eternal Gold, but it looks better for my skin tone just because I am very fair. So I'm super excited to give this a go and see if it actually works. Then I have got a Cover and Conceal, which this is the packaging, and then when you open it up, that's super nice. This is in the light medium one, so I could definitely get away with this. However, I'm a bit disappointed that they're not doing a box for deeper skin tones. They should think about doing that because obviously people with a deeper complexion probably wouldn't be able to get this set and use it. But these will definitely work for me. And then I've also got the Revolution Ultra Pro HD Cream. And this again is in the shade light to medium, so this wouldn't work for deeper skin tones, which is quite annoying for people really, if you can only use some of the stuff. So this is how it looks inside. I've actually had one of these before and I know I did really enjoy it. I just used it and it was getting quite old, so I threw that away. So I know I like this. It's very good. It's very good for beginners that want affordable makeup if they're learning to contour and things. And then also in the set is a jelly highlighter in the shade Monumental. I've never actually played with the jelly highlighter. That's the jelly. I've never actually played with the jelly highlighter. This is the weirdest feeling. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera. But it's super subtle. Like, I feel like people have really not spoken well about these in the past, just in general jelly highlighters. But I feel like if you go in with a light hand you could probably get like a nice glow. So again, this was in the shade Monumental. And then the last bit is a jelly highlighter in the shade Dazzling. It's just the weirdest ever texture. That's how that one looks. I don't know if you can see that. I could probably blend that out a lot better. 2 seconds. Yeah, it doesn't really mix into anything, but I feel like it'd look different on my face. So yeah. So my final thoughts about this. You know what, it's good for beginners. I will say this, if you're like newly getting into makeup, you don't want to spend a fortune, I feel like this is definitely worth it because you get a contour set. You get a brush set, however it is them weird brushes which I haven't tested, but if that's your thing then go for it. It's got a nice setting spray, it's got 2 jelly highlighters, so even if you're a makeup artist and you want to like play with different like textures and consistencies and don't want to like pay a fortune, that could be a good way. What else did it have? Yeah, so it's got some decent face stuff, however I am going to say it is a bit disappointing that they don't have different ones for a deeper complexion. I wish they would make it a bit more inclusive for everyone, but I'm happy I purchased this, and please let me know if you'd like me to do like a testing video reviewing all this stuff. That would really help. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next one, and please give my video a big thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!